Mother Nature, our Closer Look series. A Queens by the Minute exclusive. Mother bird feeds her chick on the wing. The following 2-second clip is of a baby chick perched on a rail at the Jones Beach fishing piers being fed by its mother. During the 2 seconds of the video, the mother bird locates her chick and then maneuvers her body to a feeding position, then feeds her chick, then flies away to search for more food. Here is the clip. Here is a repeat. And another repeat. Here is our closer frame-by-frame look of the interaction between the mother bird and her chick during the 2-second feeding, which shows the many wing movements the mother bird makes all instantaneously to successfully feed her chick. We must report that due to the speed of the feeding, we were not aware that we captured a mother bird feeding her chick until we reviewed the video on our computer screen. Thank you for viewing our Closer Look series of Mother Nature.